Ulak kemen rumbui delang wa wailat ngki shela kam ki menteri sarkar cirup wa MLA ke setengah saipung ke Santa Mary shela ni de lahir ke caman sengat tangsko yo rekmat i wajia ha ke parti mooyong wa embon ngut kuriap delang ki wa mynsoo. Nei liang ulak kemen de bentik wa Maria tip ki board district wa kentup yo BDO delang ki doktor dawan ki cakni ke tau wa ki buru NDRF mendapoy ki hai ni tau de chem ki wa kat pradli ki metyap wa prangut ki wa mynsoo. Ya ki metyap dekit seklik riat yo le ya UM kam Wena ku mynsoo de nyangut gu dekit seselong kat wa uwi de hajwai. Tepeti ula wa ne he por kam chuji stain sngi de yo sai sa iwi met yap iwu mut wa ki yap de ku chaka khendengut. Wena iliang ki pulit de kem gila ya arngut ki bru ki wa suba wa pen lai ni ga ti mooyong. Ye putu ki yap de ong wa umpo MY u pentikina. De ong le wa ki board district de khang no ki ni ga ti mooyong yo le ujia biang kam ni. Cho de ong wa kamari yo wa ni ga thau em go chkodong bha we chi tom poi wa de chem wa em bon bha ki thau wa ti mooyong percha ain. Uhe ke NDRF dong wan kong de thu opok ko wi krem mooyong tang wa chem we man de thu agawi wan ke krem de chem ye met yap ne.
This unfortunate incident which happened yesterday. So as soon as the news, this nation come to know that this incident happened, immediately the officers from the district, the BDO and also medical team have tried to reach this area, and the team of SDRF and the NDRF are stationed in the district also. They have reached, but when they reach here, they found that 18 bodies already been dead, and then 8 people have been injured, and all those 18 bodies have been shifted to Clearet for the necessary procedure, and the 8 bodies injured, 6 have been shifted to Negrim, and 1 is in hospital and 1 in Kiwa. So these are the sequence of events yesterday. And more importantly, the ADC station here, the BDO, the medical team, and today morning, 2 more team of NDRF have reached here, and with the officers and the doctor from the NDRF, and also to see that whether anybody could be rescued or any more people are there inside the mine. So, but till now, they start operation in the morning, and at around 1:30, one more body, when we are here, you have seen that one more body have been retrieved in this thing, which only died, and the same procedure as done yesterday will be followed. So, but from the district administration, also they have arrested 2 persons, suspect who for this incident. 2 persons have been arrested, and investigation is going on, and more arrests, if necessary, will be done. And most importantly, the district administration, they have tried to seize all those mines and necessary thing is to be done, so that this type of unfortunate incident should not happen in the future. So regarding the thing also, for this incident, I'm very thankful to Honorable Prime Minister that he has announced ex gratia payment, and also to Honorable Chief Minister who have deputed us to come here immediately and report to him and see that to leave no stone unturned to see that whatever necessary thing to be done need to be done, so that this case could be closed as early as possible, with the sense that no more body is there in the mine, or if anybody need to be rescued, it could be rescued safely. So I'm very thankful to NDRF, and I hope that with their continuous working of NDRF, SDRF, the team of police, the magistrate and this administration, we will able to see that this operation will finish as soon as possible. Thank you.
चल रहा है सुबह से लगातार। जैसे एक यहाँ पे पहले 2 वेल हैं साथ साथ। पहले वेल में हमने ट्राई किया, वहाँ पे हमने रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन किया, सर्च ऑपरेशन किया, तो वहाँ पे हमें अभी कुछ ट्रेस नहीं हुआ। फिर हमने सेकंड वेल में ट्राई किया, तो अभी एक मोटल रिमेन्स हमें वहाँ से मिले। इस बारे में मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं है। इसमें भी ये डिसाइड करना तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का काम है, बाकी हम तो अपना काम कर ही रहे हैं।
आज सर एक ही रिकवर हुआ है?
अभी तक एक ही, आज अभी तक एक ही बॉडी रिकवर हुई है।
कल से कितना बॉडी?
कल जो मेरे पास सूचना है कि जो मुझे पता चला है वो 18 बॉडीज रिकवर हुई है। There is first thing is that we are not familiar with what is inside there, how many rat holes, what is their extent and all. And sometimes we, because it was a fire incident, there might be some residue of the gases. So we, if we need to go down with our breathing apparatus, so it will be very difficult to move in the breathing apparatus in the rat holes with the breathing apparatus. We have to make sure that there is no gas residue, so we can move in the rat holes. That is
Mulai Wyrta ini lagi tunggu singan mulai di. Jadi masuk jadi negeri.
Tidak sini kalau ini.
Ada di luar.